Hello everyone, it's Thanh here, and in this video I will share to you my review on what Joomla is and how you can make money with it. Okay, so Joomla is a CPA company, and CPA stands for cost per actions. Basically it means that if you grab your affiliate link and then you send visitor into it, and if a person sign up into your link and then you will get paid. You will get paid commission. It's really simple as that. So let me flip my screen and you can see it better. And here my commission section. Okay, I will click on that for you to know that it's not a screenshot. This is my dashboard, and if this person sign up from Great Britain, from the UK, I would earn $4 in commission. From the US, I also earn $4, and from the other countries, I will earn only $2. So it's based on the country. There are 5 countries in top tier 1, and I will earn $4. The UK, the US, New Zealand, Canada, and Australia. Those are 5 countries. And if I go back to my home page dashboard, you know what? In only 2 weeks, and I earned $11 and $16 in commission. This is really amazing. And when I go into any making money online program, I need to find out if they are legit or not, for not wasting my time, right? So when I go deep into it and become a VIP member, and I got into the Facebook group, and you can see Joomla VIP Digital Lifestyle Company, and they provide really good support, and especially the founder here, he provides a really amazing support that I fall in love with it. And if I go to the photo section here, you can see that people post their questions, or they post their experience, and what I am interested in the most is this thing. So you can see that Renault sent you $56 and commission payout for Joomla from earning up to 30 April 2017, or the other one would be $112 and commission payout for Joomla approved earnings. So you can see that this is my pending earnings. It's not in approved yet, and today is you can see that it is the 10th of June. So they will approve in let me remember, in the 15, okay, at in the middle of the month, and they will approve the earning, and then they will send out the earning. So that is how Joomla work. It is that simple. You can click on the link on the description below and go and create your account and activate it, and then you go through the training, and then you can have your affiliate link, and after that you will go and have people sign up in your links, and after that you can earn commissions as well. It's really simple. That's how I can earn up to 1K after 2 weeks, and it's really simple. Okay, so how you can make money with it, because this is a really easy CPA offer. So just by post on Facebook groups, or on Twitter, or on Instagram, that you can easily make a lot of money with this, I believe. So if you really want to make money right now, even if you don't have so much experience in online marketing, you can click the link on the description below and follow the trainings from Joomla, follow the emails that I sent you as well. It's really easy to follow, and I also provide some traffic part for you, so that you do not have to be overwhelmed, and you can make money right away. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope this video helpful and you can make more money for yourself. Thank you, and bye bye.